for you today. And there's just one thing that I want to say. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all you've given to me, for all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
My name is Reverend James Celestine. I'm a pastor of MUGINA Parish. So I'm very happy now, and I am here to show my thanks to my Lord Bishop and the other friends from outside of country of Rwanda. So we are helping my parish in different things, but this is a high for the others. Let me say about this milling machine. It will help our parish in many things, not only parish but also all Rwanda people, especially Nyamiyaga's people. It will help us in different things, like to get food from maize and many. So I'm thank God first, and also thank my Lord Bishop with our friends, and ask God to bless them for whatever you have done, in order to show the others, which will be like MUGINA, to continue to serve very well God. Thank you very much.
With a song of praise.